Jai Srimannarayana. 16th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Chaturvidha bhajante mam janaha sukrutinaha Arjuna Artaha Jignasuhu Ardharthi Jnani cha Bharatarshabha. Come out of your preoccupied mind and pay very serious attention to a open statement of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma simply, very straightforward, announces that if you are distressed, take refuge in me, worship me alone. If you are suffering from uncurable chronic diseases, worship me alone. If you lost your prosperity and status, you want to regain that, take refuge in me and worship me alone. If you want to gain new status and prosperity, take refuge in me and worship me alone. If you want to gain and understand your real nature, Atma Sakshatkaram, take refuge in me and worship me alone. If you want to get my Sakshatkaram, take refuge in me and worship me alone. For everything, take refuge in me and worship me alone. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall come out of my preoccupied mind and pay a serious attention to your open assurance. O Krishna, I shall take refuge in you and worship you alone for everything that I want. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn the Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham 35th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, all the devatas praying to Sriman Narayana who is there in the womb of Devaki Devi, saying that, Bhagavan, in the past you have taken so many avatars, now you are going to be born again as Krishna to take care of this entire universe. We are all doing namaskaram to you." Like that they said, and then they are now appreciating Devaki Devi like this. Dishtya ambate kukshigataha parah pumanam sena sakshat bhagavan bhavayanaha tallini udarambulona pradhana purushudunnavadelli puttedi కంసుచే భయమింతలేదు నిజంబు మాకెల్లవారికి భద్రమయ్యడు. Oh dear Mother Devaki Devi, you are such a great fortunate mother because Sakshat Paramatma is there in your womb. Now you don't need to be scared from Kamsa because Sakshat Paramatma is now going to be born to you to kill Kamsa, to take care of all the Yadavas. Like that Devatas along with Brahma, Rudra, they appreciated, they praised Devaki Devi and went back to their own abodes. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 16th sloka. Chaturvidha bhajante mam Jana Sukritino Arjuna. Arto Jignasurardharthi Jnani cha Bharatarshabha. Chaturvidha bhajante mam Jana Sukritino Arjuna. Arto Jignasurardharthi Jnani cha Bharatarshabha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.